You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. And my feet have come too far for you to tie 'em to the ground. You can't stop me now.
Hello then, and welcome back to yet another travel vlog here on the Pad the Nomad channel. Please excuse the fact that I am in my bedroom at home in the UK. I'm no professional, I'm not on the go at the moment. I'm still working through my videos from my trip. And I had so much fun back in Indonesia on this next video that I forgot to do an introduction and even an outro. In today's video, we are going to go on a 4-day boat trip thanks to Kareem the Explorer from the island of Lombok over to Flores with a couple of stops in between. So without further ado, let's wind it back a fair few months now to join me and some Gigi about to get my transport out to the start point, the meeting point for the Kareem team, where they give you a little meeting and some guy even sang karaoke. As you will have just have seen then, we had a couple of hour bus transfer out to the boat, got settled and started sailing and headed to our first point, which was a beautiful sunset point. It's a tiny little sandy island. Took a beer up to the top of a mountain, maybe 150 meters tall, and watched the sunset with a beer. What more could you want to end day one, which was a lot of waiting around and organisation. So it was quite nice to finally be on the boat ready to sleep. The start of day 2 was very, very early before the sun, or as the sun was coming up, for something incredibly wondrous, and that was to get in the water and snorkel and swim alongside the world's biggest fish, the whale shark. Now, I know a lot of you will have issue with this. I do as well. I'd just like to say that. Given the opportunity, I probably wouldn't be involved in this side of the tourism. It was incredible to be in the water with them, but I would have loved it if it just happened naturally while I was diving. However, this was just one part of an extended tour, which involved some awesome stuff later that I had my heart set on. So, not to completely give up an opportunity, I got in the water, everyone did keep their space, and we got to see this absolute beauty. Let's have a look. Out of the water with the whale sharks and set sail on our way. By this point in the second day, everyone was starting to become a cohesive unit. Everyone was talking, and the energy, the vibe of the boat was incredible. So there was a lot of sailing, but it was just really, really nice to spend that time with new people and get to know them. Noise on this is brilliant. We finished that day with a little bit more sunset from the boat, a couple of beers on the top and a nice dinner, and went to sleep ready for the start of day 3, which included yes, what I really had my heart set on. So I'm going to stop talking, and I'm pretty sure Paddy got his camera out from here, so I will see you at the end of this video. So since I've been 8 to 10 years old, I've wanted to be here on this island for a very specific reason, and that is the Komodo Dragon, the largest lizard. It's got a bacterium in its saliva that will kill you within an hour. They are super dangerous, and we've got one back here right now, so let's just go and see. Childhood dream fulfilled. We've seen roughly 6 or 7 dragons now, a couple of small ones, a couple of medium ones, and then one just then that they said potentially up to about 100 kgs, 30-ish years old. Can get even bigger, but already insane. Feeling great, feeling good. Here we have a nest. The females will lay the eggs between September, October and guard it till December. And then the eggs should have hatched by May at the latest. Any that haven't hatched or left the nest by May, she'll eat them. Fucking crazy. So here we're on the pink beach. Can you see the colour? I'm not exactly sure what it is. Yeah, everything's a little bit pink. Hopefully this is going to be an image, makes it better. So I'm going to take an image right now and put it in the screen. And hopefully the pink is popping for you right now. Who knows? We've now finally reached the long beach. We can do a bit of snorkeling here, so we're going to hop in off the boat and swim back to shore. See if we can see some turtles somewhere in this area here. Nearly disaster. This one's not waterproof anymore. Saw a bit of water in it. I think they're fairly safe. So I'm going to go snorkel and I'll see you in a bit. Managed to see a turtle, which was super nice, and the beach was so chill. Now we've got an hour and a half to another island for a sunset climb, but first, a cup of tea and a couple of beers. And there we have it then. a 4-day trip on the Kareem the Explorer tour from Lombok to Flores. It was such a fun experience. We've touched on the whole whale shark situation. We'll not delve into it too much more, but I really had my heart set on seeing those Komodo dragons, and I'm sure I've already said it several months ago when I filmed the video, but I'd wanted to see them since I was a child. So to finally tick that off just left me with the biggest smile on my face for multiple days after this tour. I stayed for a few days in Lombok in Flores. Not too much to do there, but it's very nice to spend that time with your crew, go out for some drinks, as you've just seen, before, well, I actually did a bit more diving, and unfortunately there was no actual whale sharks. But having spent 4 days with 40 people, I needed those days to myself, phone away, no technology. The diving was great. I even saw a manta ray. It was just wonderful. I'll stop talking now and say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video of this boat trip, and if you're in Indonesia on Lombok, you have to sign up. And Kareem are one of the few organizations that have been going for years, and they are tried and trusted. Might be a little bit more expensive, but I promise you will have the best experience. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, help me out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.